All right, check this one out, Derek. Don't go down the hill.
Sherco toad.
Squad, my bike won't stay started. Hey, hey, oh, oh. What is going on, everybody? It's ShercoSean. I'm back in action for the 2019 season. The knee is feeling great. We're down at the Quarry. We got Fooligan over there on Phil. We got my dad on his X-Ride all studded up. We don't have studded tires. I ended up not putting mine on. We're just gonna go out and just have some fun. Yeah, Billy, I made it to the top. We should go check out the pond, dude.
Alright, the frozen one?
Yeah, let's go ride on the ice. Alright, my dad said it's... Hold on, wait. You see those holes?
Yeah.
What about the holes? I guess just stay away from the holes. Oh, look at them go. No fair. Look at all that traction. Oh, watch out for the hole. You almost hit it.
You don't care. What happens if you hit the hole?
Oh, well, we fall in, we fall in.
I don't want to fall in. Look. He's just riding right over.
Do the drift. Oh, oh yeah. It just slides backwards.
You like that stuff?
Oh yeah, I got studs now. Watch out. Stick. There's so much traction. Got to get into it low.
Oh, you're about to drag some peg, boy.
You see how low I got?
You're getting low.
All right, lead the way. Go that way. Now you're stuck. Oh man, the snow is deeper than our bikes. I'm stuck. Look.
I got snow in my shirt. Coming, Sean.
This is so deep. It's like pushing 1,000 pounds, dude. Hold on. That was a big push. Look at all this snow on my bike. Look at my front wheel.
I know, look at my front wheel. It's completely full.
Yes, the guys are back here doing some work. I hear a chainsaw going. Smell a fire going. Look at this tree that fell down back here. One fell here. These ones have been down over here, but this one's recent. That one right here is recent. So we're just trying to get this cleared out of the way because we got a national coming up in May. Oh my goodness, Derek, that puddle is so deep. You about went in the ditch, buddy.
I about went into the river, or the creek, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Oh.
I told you that's deep.
You want to help out for a few minutes?
Yeah, we can do that. Oh man, guys, this is going to be an awesome national section over here. Get ready. Hey, puppies. All right, guys, we cleared out some logs down here in Devil's Bowl. The guys want me to ride up this icy waterfall, so we're going to send it. Yep. Oh, took a point. There we go. That was a nice one. all the way to the top. That was fun. Oh, I can't wait to start riding trials again this year. All right, let's check out this upper pond. We're already down on the lower pond, so you know what? Sometimes you just gotta go for it. It's like...
I don't know if this one's frozen or not. Right? I haven't stuck through yet. Oh god, it gets a little low there.
There's a lot of water there.
Oh, it's all in my shoes. My shoes. My socks are soaking wet now.
Hey, what do you think about this line right here? So you go off the ice and you do this hill climb right here. What do you think? You think we could do it?
I think with studs you can do it. I don't know if you can get the...
Well, all you need is the momentum off the ice, and then as soon as you get on the dirt, pin it, and then just straight up the hill. Dude, we got to do it, man. I just can't look at it and not do it. So you just go with some momentum. Okay, maybe I'm in the wrong gear here. Yeah, you definitely want to do that. Not in the gear I was in. I think I was in third, not second. All right, I'm going back down into the ice. Check it out. All right, right here, feet on the pegs. Oh, maybe not. All right, now feet on the pegs. Oh, geez, Rick. Oh, yeah. It is pretty dangerous following me. Oh, no. You got a problem, buddy. All right, we're going for round 2. Here we go. First gear this time. I took 2 points, baby. Woo! Now let's get Derek unstuck from the trees. Man.
Oh man, it's a good one.
Maybe if I can get my hand through it. Okay, now lean it this way. Here, you're good.
Okay.
Woo!
Thanks, buddy.
Woo!
That was
That
tough.
was toughy.
Well, I saved your life. All right, guys, we're gonna take a break, get a drink, fill up some gas, and get out there and do some more riding. All right, got a drink, gassed up the bikes. We're heading out for one more good ride. Oh, guys, I tell you what, it is just nice to be back out here on the bikes, ripping around, having a good time. Knee feels great. Oh, it's awesome. All right, here's the jump, Derek. Oh, I don't know about jumping it right now. That was a little scary. All right, check this one out, Derek. Don't go down the hill. Oh yeah, up and over the log, sucker. Let's see you do that one. You just let go.
I got scared.
I know, I went over the berm. I caught your tire there. I slid out. And now I gotta go poop. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys, we're gonna have to turn the camera off for this one.
No, vlog it.
No, I'm not vlogging it.
Vlog it.
All right, Derek said, let's go, Sean. You're done and out of the bathroom. Let's go. My key just doesn't jump out of my bike. Oh, hey. Oh my goodness, Wilson, you can't just take down the tree like that, buddy. I got way too much traction and I just like straight up just like wheelied into the tree. Oh God, it just hit me in the face. Oh, smells like pine.